So hi guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can create your own web server through Express and Node.js. So let's get started. Okay, so let's go to an empty folder. I have an empty folder here. Let's open VS Code in it. So I'm going to go to terminal and type code dot. It should open VS Code on this folder. Alright, so yeah, so as you can see we are open. So let's start with declaring an empty project, empty node project. So open a new terminal and say npm init, hit enter, and everything else just hit enter, keep hitting enter, and just as you can see it is okay. And you have a package.json file in here. So this package.json file, as you all know, that it's going to contain all our packages. So let's start with installing Express. So npm I is short for install Express, so express Express, and hit enter. This is going to install Express on this project, and as you can see in here we have Express on the dependency side. So let's close this terminal right now, and yeah, let's make a server.js. I think it, yeah, index.js file. As you can see, our main file is going to be the index.js, so that's why we are going to create index.js file. Hit enter. Alright, so let's get into the coding part. We have Express on our project, so let's require it. So I'm gonna say const express is equal to require express. Alright, and I'm going to create an app variable. I'm going to set it to express. Alright, and let's start by making our server. So app.listen, this app is going to listen on the 3000 port, which is currently on our local host, and this app is going to receive a callback function too. And in this callback I'm going to just console something, which is going to be my server is running. Alright, running spelling, okay. So when the server gets started, in our console there will be this line is called server is running. So let's let's save it, and let's start by typing in the console. We're gonna type node, and I'm going to say index. Our file name is index.js, so I'm going to say this and going to hit enter. As you can see, our server is running now. As you can see, server is running. So this means that our server is now running. So let's go to our browser and let's start by go to our port, so which is going to be this localhost colon 3000. Going to hit enter, and yeah, this is an error, cannot get. As you can see, this is an error. So actually what happened is we haven't defined any route for our server. So our server is now running, it's not a problem, but our server does not have any route to work on. So that's why that error was showing. So let's start by defining some route for our server. So this route I'm defining is for a get method, and I'm going to the route going to be this root route. I'll show you a couple of seconds. And this is going to get me the route. Let's dot a callback. Going to define a callback in here like this. So whenever any request come to this root route, we are going to receive a request. So we are going to pass the request in this function, in this anonymous function, and the response. So yeah, so let's just send some response. So response dot send is a function, and I'm going to send hello. Yeah, that's it. So let's save it again and quit our server by pressing Ctrl+C, and I'm going to run this command again, nodes index.js, and as you can see our server is running now again, and I'm going to go again to our local host and hit enter. As you can see we have hello. So yeah, so what's happening here is we are getting a request. As you can see in here, that's what the route I defined, the root route. So when you are getting any request on this route, a server is going to receive this request in this function. As you can see, I have passed the request and the response. So our server is going to send the response this. So that's why hello was showing on there. So yeah, that's it. That's how you can create a basic Node.js and Express server, and it's super simple. And I don't think it's gonna take any more time than 5 minutes. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll show you in the next one.